Have you been settling for a subpar hamburger recipe? You know it's missing something, but you just can't quite put your finger on what it is? Well, my friend, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. This simple seasoning mix is all you need to take any beef, bison, veggie, or turkey burger to the next level of flavor awesomeness. And the best part, you probably have all of these spices already in your kitchen. So grab a small bowl or the jar or container you'll be storing the seasoning mix in. And add 1 tablespoon of paprika. I'm using regular, but you can always experiment with half of it being smoked. 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. It's important that you do not substitute one of these for the other. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Basil or parsley will also do. 1½ teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And ½ of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is optional and can be left out if you don't like spice. Whisk this all together until it's well combined. You should end up with roughly 3 tablespoons of seasoning. You'll need 1½ tablespoons for every pound of ground meat, so this should be enough for 2 pounds of hamburger meat. If you're not using it all up immediately, transfer it to a glass jar with an airtight lid and store it in a cool, dry place, and not over the stovetop, for up to a year. After this time, it will slowly begin to lose its potency. Easy peasy, right? Now, if you are looking for a great burger recipe to use this up in, I've got you covered. You've got to check out these air fryer burgers right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.